Hello बच्चों, let's see the question. What question says mean solar day is the time interval between two successive noon when sun passes through zenith point, that is meridian. Sidereal day is the time interval between two successive transits of a distant star through the zenith point meridian. By drawing appropriate diagrams showing Earth's spin and orbital motion, show that mean solar day is 4 minutes longer than the sidereal day. In other words, distant stars would be rise 4 minutes early ever successive day, राइट। तो सबसे पहले हम इस क्वेश्चन का की कंसेप्ट देख लेते हैं। इस क्वेश्चन का हमारा की कंसेप्ट क्या है? So the key concept of the question is solar day is 4 minutes longer than the sidereal day. We have to prove that solar day is 4 times minutes longer than the sidereal day. So we know that the Earth revolves around the Sun in an elliptical orbit and at the same time rotates about its axis. So the Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation about its axis. So it has been observed that the Earth advances by 1 degree every day in its orbit. हम इसे यहाँ लिख लेते हैं. It has been observed that the Earth advances by 1 degree every day in its orbit. Therefore, to have the sun at the zenith point क्या था हमारा meridian. Therefore, to have the sun at zenith point, again, the earth has to be rotated through 361 degree 24 hours. The earth has to be rotated through 361 degree in 24 hours. Since 361 degree correspond to 24 hours, 361 degree corresponds to 24 hours. So 1 degree corresponds to 24 by 361 आवर. और अगर हम इसे मिनट में चेंज करें तो यहाँ पे हम 60 में से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सो आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस वी विल गेट इट्स वैल्यू विच इज इक्वल्स टू 4 मिनट. सो ये क्या एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है कि हमारा सोलर डे है वो 4 मिनट्स लॉन्गर देन द सिडेरियल डे है. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड इट वेल. थैंक यू.